Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up your Elemnt Bolt Wahoo for the first time. And to do this you can get an Android smartphone as well, because you can set up this device with the phone or without it. And first thing we can change is language, so you can click on this button and here pick your different language by clicking on the button or up button like that. So we can go for English. Then you can set up this device with phone or without it. And to perform phone setup, you need to download the Elemnt app on your Android smartphone. Then right here click on start. There's a QR scanner and we can scan this code, and then we can use our phone to begin the setup. But in this case let's go for no phone. And no phone, here you can change the distance, so again click on up and down button, kilometers, elevation, temperature, time zone, and a year, month, day, hour, minute. And after clicking all of these pages, your device should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.